Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is Saturday, April the 28th, 2018. We are 4 days into the germination when we started these seeds off. So in the previous video, I showed you how I started the procedure off. And so let's just open this up. I've already checked it this morning. Yesterday we had a little bit of growth going on, but overnight I've had quite a bit more. And these things here really need to get planted today. So you can see quite a bit of activity. You can actually see the leaves are actually started right here. You can see that there on a lot of these. There's one there. We've got there, all over the place. There are a few that have not germinated. But at this point, I'm going to get these into some soil. There's a few here, and what I'll do is I'm just going to, I'll plant the ones that have germinated, and the rest of them I'll just leave in there. It might take another day or two before those actually start. Let me just get those on camera for you so you can see. So now that we have confirmed germination, it's time to get these into some soil, and that's what we'll do next. So I'm using a rather large pot. I have just loaded it up with some potting soil. So there we have that. And then all you want to do is just start making little indentations in your soil. Just make a few holes and then grab your little plant and just get that right in there, just like that. So you want to just come in and just very, very gently grab them by the end, just like that, and then get those into your soil. And then after I've done all of this, we want to make sure to water these completely. So a few minutes later, I've planted all of the little seeds that have germinated. And then here are the ones that have not germinated yet, slow starters, but I'm sure a lot of them are going to germinate. So I'm just going to close that back up and then just gently tap on the top. This paper towel is still extremely wet. That's good, just like that. Cover it back up. There we have that. And now you want to just take a little water sprayer and gently apply some water onto the top. I'm just using a little water bottle here. You can see it here. Regular water. Remember never to give little seeds like this that have just germinated any sort of chemical. No fertilizer. You could shock the little seedlings and kill them. So a little bit of water. Any roots that become exposed during this process, just push them back in very gently. And if you're growing inside, make sure that you get this little pot underneath your little grow lamp. You can see that looks pretty good. I haven't exposed any of the roots. I think it looks good just like that. So that's it. So this here is 4 days in. I will keep you updated with the marigolds. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you like to bake, make sure you check me out on my main baking channel over at Bake Like a Pro. That's youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And I'm also on Facebook at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.